Hey everyone, Sugumaran here and you're watching Time to Unbox. Today we have the Realme P3 Pro 5G and we're going to unbox it and check out all its features. Let's open the box. We have the Realme P3 Pro Mobile. The design of the Realme P3 Pro is sleek and modern. The phone comes with a plastic side frame and a plastic back panel. It's available in 3 stunning colors: Nebula Green, Saturn Brown and Galaxy Purple. The Nebula Green variant is especially eye-catching with a unique glowing pattern that shimmers as the light hits it. The Saturn Brown and Galaxy Purple come with premium vegan leather material, giving it a more premium feel. The phone is slim at 7.99mm in thickness and weighs 190 grams for the Nebula Glow version and 192 grams for Saturn Brown and Galaxy Purple. On the ports and buttons, the left side is clean with no buttons, while the right side has the volume buttons and the power button. The bottom houses the dual nano SIM slot, microphone, charging port and speaker. The top has a dual noise cancellation mic for better audio clarity during calls. The display of the Realme P3 Pro is a 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED quad curved display with a 120Hz refresh rate. It offers stunning visuals with HDR support and a 93.8% screen-to-body ratio. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, and with a peak brightness of 1500 nits, it's perfect for outdoor usage. The display also supports PWM dimming at 3840 Hz, ensuring smooth visuals. With a color gamut of 100% DCI-P3, the display offers vibrant and accurate colors. For UI and OS, the Realme P3 Pro runs on Realme UI 6.0. Based on Android 15, it promises smooth and intuitive navigation with a minimalistic design. The phone also promises 2 years of OS updates and 3 years of security updates, ensuring long-term software support. AI features on this phone include Smart Loop 2.0, AI recording, AI writer, and AI reply. With these features, the phone enhances the user experience, making it more intuitive and responsive to your needs. The camera system on the Realme P3 Pro is impressive. The main camera features a 50-megapixel Sony IMX896 OIS sensor, offering high-quality photos with great detail and accuracy. It supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, as well as 1080p recording at both 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. The front camera is a 16-megapixel Sony IMX480 sensor, capable of capturing 1080p videos at 30 frames per second and 720p at 30 frames per second. For battery capacity, the Realme P3 Pro is equipped with a 6000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to get you through the day. The phone supports 80-watt ultra charge, and with this, it charges super quickly. It can go from 0 to 10% in just 5 minutes, 0 to 25% in 13 minutes, 0 to 50% 28 minutes, 0 to 75% in 46 minutes, and fully charge in just 71 minutes. It's a powerhouse for anyone who needs fast and reliable charging. The Realme P3 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor. This chipset ensures smooth performance even for demanding apps and games. Paired with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, the phone offers ample space for all your apps and media. For performance, we tested the Realme P3 Pro using Antutu, where it scored an impressive 827,388. In Geekbench, it scored 1,183 in single core and 3,253 in multi-core. We also performed the Wildlife Extreme test, and it showed great stability at 99.4%. For CPU throttling, the phone managed to throttle at just 88%, ensuring that the device can handle intensive tasks without heating up too much. Now for the pricing, the Realme P3 Pro comes in 3 variants: 8GB plus 128GB for 23,999 rupees after the discount, 21,999 rupees 8GB plus 256GB for 24,999 rupees after the discount, 22,999 rupees 12GB plus 256GB for 26,999 rupees after the discount, 24,999 Indian rupees. In conclusion, the Realme P3 Pro 5G offers fantastic performance with the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, a stunning 120Hz AMOLED display, and fast charging. The camera is solid, though it could use some improvement in low-light performance. The large 6000 mAh battery and 80-watt fast charging make it ideal for heavy users. For anyone looking for a powerful device at a reasonable price, the Realme P3 Pro is a great choice. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.